What's up, everybody? We have something fun to look at today. This is a alarm clock made by Nintendo. That's very weird. Nintendo announced this just a couple days ago, and a lot of people thought it was going to be a new Nintendo Switch, but surprisingly, they released something that's not a video game or a console, a alarm clock, and it's $100 alarm clock. It's pretty adorable, though. It looks kind of like whenever you see a clock in like Super Mario or something like that. It looks like the same thing. This is just going to be a quick look and unboxing of this alarm clock. I just got it today. And it does have a couple tricks under its sleeve. Some of the things it can do is it has some sensors on it, so it can track your sleeping. Like, it can tell you if you were moving a lot in your sleep. It could tell when you wake up, and it plays sound effects. Like if you stretch, like in the morning you get up and you stretch, it will make like a coin sound and a bunch of little silly things. First we have what looks like just the basic instructions. Okay, that's it. Looks like you have a old school USB-C to old school USB, A to C or whatever. And that's it. That's it. This is it right here. It's got a little turning knob that you can push down on it. It's very cute. And it smells like a Nintendo. On the top, it looks like you have a little mail button and a back button. I'm not really sure what the mail button would do. Then you have a USB plug on the bottom. Let's see if there's any battery in here. How do you even turn this on? I don't think there's a battery on it. Well, let's plug in a USB-C. I got one right here already. See if that does anything. All right. The Americas. I hate my time zone. It's Central Standard Time Zone, and unlike, like Pacific, East Coast, it's really easy. I have to choose Chicago, which makes no sense. What is the date today? I should know this. It's 10/11, I think. Yep. Well, I will say, though, this turning of the knob and thing is very nice. Feels good. Enter the time. Well, it's 5. Really fast. Love it. There you go. Okay, I might put this on a flat surface and remove my body. You can't tell that I'm moving my body left and right. I'm literally like doing this. Oh, oh. All right. Try moving farther away and then coming closer. Try to do it this way. I'm jumping. This clock is motion sensor can tell when you move your body, is what it's saying. Cool. Its range of detection is called the sensor zone. Now we'll set up the clock's sensor zone. Well, since I'm not laying in bed right now, I don't really want to do this. Sure. No. No California King. No. Anyways, I really can't do anything without setting this up proper. This is just a first look at this. But I'll do an update when I actually use it, give you a little review of it, and show you a little bit more in the next video. But there you go. This is the Alarmo. And right now you can only get it at the Nintendo store in New York City. I think that's where it is. Or you have to be a paid Nintendo member, whatever that thing is they have, where you get free video games every month or whatever. You have to subscribe to like Nintendo's monthly service, whatever. And it will be out soon though for at all retailers like Target and Amazon and stuff like that. This is kind of just a early look at something that you will soon be able to buy everywhere. Very fun. Can't wait to actually try this tonight. All right, thanks guys.